Good morning. Well, afternoon, maybe? I don't know. It's afternoon here for me. I'm not sure where everybody's at. But anyways, glad to see everybody today. I'm just jumping on to do a quick, fun, colorful eye look that I'm going to do. We're going to jump right into it. I don't have a lot of time. And so yeah, we're just going to jump right into the palette for the eyes that we have. As you can see, I've already got most of my face done. I just saved just the eye look for the video today. So, and as you can see, I don't even need, look at my lashes, guys. They're fabulous. This is the 4D with a little bit of the primer. You don't even need an eyeshadow look, but we are going to do one today. Hey, Vanessa. We're going to do this quick look with this palette that we have here today. So we have Fervent, Lively, Alive, and Optimistic. I think that was Lively, yes. Lively. I just had to make sure that we had the right color there. So with that, we're just going to jump right into it. As always, any likes, comments, shares always help me to grow my business, to reach out and meet new people. So any likes, comments, share would be greatly appreciated. But with that, we're just going to jump right into this. So we're going to start with this color here. Again, this color is called Alive. We are going to use, I think, this brush, just a simple shader brush. We're going to put basically this color all over our lid. So if you guys see me looking down here, I'm not ignoring you. I'm not trying to, but I just have my mirror down here. That's where I have my mirror set up. So it's easier for me to look in a mirror than it is to actually look in the camera and try and do it. So again, I'm just taking this shader brush. It's a double-ended brush, so the other side is a liner brush, but we're using the shader side. And I'm just taking that gold, light gold color, and we're just doing it all over our lid. From our lash line all the way up to our brow. Okay, same thing on this side. I've also already primed my eyes. Again, primer is super important for all of your makeup. It's going to help your makeup go on better. It's going to help it blend better. It's going to help it stay put all day. So primer really is an important step. And so I've done eye primer today. I've done face primer today. Like I said, this isn't normally the order I would put on my makeup. I usually save my mascara for last, but I want you guys to be able to see the complete look, and I'm really only focusing on the eyeshadow look that we have going on today. So again, we just got that Alive color right on the lids, and now we are going to jump right into this color right here. It's called Lively. It's one of my favorite colors. I never thought orange would be a color that I liked. I have come to really like orange. And I have found that it's really a color that makes my eye color pop too. So anytime I have a chance to use orange, I'm not scared of it anymore. I like to use it. So I'm using my crease brush, and we're just kind of doing this right in our crease. Go figure, we're using the crease brush for the crease. And we're just kind of doing back and forth rainbow strokes. And then we're just going to kind of do the small little circles to kind of blend that upward back towards our brow bone. Hey, Vanessa. Okay, so same thing on the other side, crease brush again, right in the crease. Rainbow type strokes back and forth. Okay, and I'm just going to keep checking my time, guys, because this is so I posted the other day my first video that I am posted to YouTube. I've been nervous about posting to YouTube, but Unique is running a contest right now. And to be entered into the contest, you have to post to YouTube. So it kind of pushed me out of my comfort zone a little bit, and it's kind of pushing me to maybe start doing some videos on YouTube. So but there is a time restriction on my videos. So not trying to rush through this, but I do have a time limit, so. Okay, so again, we just have that right on in the crease, and then we've kind of blended that back out towards our brow bone. Again, super pretty. I love orange. I have come to really like orange. Okay, so now I'm just taking my fluffy crease brush, and I'm just gonna kind of right on the edge of where I put that orange, just kind of blend that out and make sure we don't have any harsh lines. Blend that out even a little bit more. Takes 2 seconds, but again, it makes a huge difference. Okay, next we are gonna go in with Fevrant. This is another one of my favorite colors. And we are going to take another double-ended brush. We're gonna take this end, and it's very similar to the brush that we just used. I know, right? Vanessa, oranges are fabulous. And again, depending on, hey Cecilia, depending on your eye color, again, certain colors will really make your eye color stand out and pop. And orange is a great color for hazels, or my color of eyes, hazel, greenish brown eyes. It really makes your eyes pop. So learn the colors that really make your eyes pop and use those, and it's gonna make your eye colors look that much more intense. Okay, so double-ended brush, we're gonna use the angled side because we're gonna put this next color, Fevrant, right on the outer corner. Okay, and then this angled brush just kind of allows me just to kind of stamp this color right in here, because I just want this right on my outer corner. I don't have to sweep this anywhere. I can just stamp it, and it gets that color right in that outer corner, right where I want it. Okay, and you can take it up a little ways into the crease if you want, you know, or a little bit further over. Okay, and I'm just kind of stamping that color in there. So as you can see, all right, and then we're just gonna do the same thing on this other side. Again, I start at my lash line and I just kind of work it up until I get to the crease. Okay, and I'm just kind of stamping that color right in there. For whatever reason, I can't seem to keep it even. As you can see, I got higher up on this side with the red for whatever reason. This side of my face, I can't seem, I always tend to go up higher. Purples do well with yours, Vanessa. I love purple too. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back in again because I took this side a little bit higher up than I wanted to. So I'm just gonna take my fluffy crease brush and just kind of blend that back, just to kind of pull that color back down a little bit. And as you can see, it kind of blends that out. And I'm just, again, just kind of touching in there just to kind of blend the edges out. We don't want harsh lines anywhere. And then I'm gonna go back in with my crease brush and just kind of take a little bit more of the orange color. And again, go right back over where I did the Fevrant on the edge, and just to kind of add a little bit more, and just kind of to blend those two colors together just a little bit more. Depending on which color you want to be the dominant color, I mean, you can go back in and add more, take away. Always make sure though to go back in and blend it out. And I have really come to like this fluffy crease brush. I've seen a lot of people that use it to apply it to the crease. I don't like it for that purpose. But again, you have to find what works for you, but I have found that I really like it to blend out. So again, find the brushes that work, find the tools, the brushes that work best for you. What works for me or what I tend to like may not be your personal choice. So again, and I'm just kind of going back in and just kind of touching again, just to darken up that Fevrant, that maroon color again, just a little bit more. Okay, and then you can even go in with maybe like a flatter brush and take a little bit of that fervent and just kind of do like little back and forth just to kind of blend it in with the gold, so that again, the up and down, we don't have a straight line there as well. Like I said, I'm just taking very little and I'm just kind of doing little hashtags right over that line where the fervent is meeting the gold. And just to kind of blend that line as well, okay? So super simple, we're gonna call that done there. I also like to take my color and take it underneath my eyes as my liner. I typically don't use a pencil liner or anything underneath. I like to use the color that I used in my eyes and pull that down underneath. So I have this fabulous little eyeliner brush, one of my favorite tools to use for this purpose. I'm just going to get a little bit of that fervent color on there, and we're just going to take this right on the outer corner, right underneath. And I'm not taking that all the way over. I just do just a little ways. The darker colors that you take on the inside is going to make your eye look more closed off, and we don't want that. I don't want that. So I try to keep the darker color more out towards the outer edge. And like I said, we're going to use the fervent on the very outer corner. But then we're also going to go right in with the orange color as well. And take that further over, and we're going to blend it in right with that fervent. And take that the rest of the way over. I still don't take it all the way to my corner completely, but I take it most of the way. Okay? Get out of my clothes. Sorry. The cats are in here and I have clothes drying and they like to play in my clothes. All right, and then if you even wanted to, you could even take a little bit of the gold color and do that on the very inner corner. But I also have a highlight color that we're going to use, so. All right, and I kind of got, again, this is typically why I don't do my mascara first. You know, I do have some fallout here. So I'm just going to go right back with just a blender brush, or a blending bud, I'm sorry, not a blending brush. And just kind of pull out any of that fallout that we may have. You also want to go back after you've put that liner underneath your eyes, go back with some sort of fluffy brush, a crease brush, something, and just kind of, again, blend that out. We don't want a harsh line underneath our eye either. So we're just going to blend that out just a little bit, softens it a little bit, makes it not so harsh of a line. Okay, and the last color we have to use in here is this Optimistic. So I didn't get the brush out, but I like to use that. Try to have all my brushes out and ready to use. Okay. And we're going to wrap this video up real quick. So, hey Laura. Hey Michelle. Optimistic, it's our highlight color. We're just going to take a little bit of that on just a round brush. We're just going to put it right here on the inner corners and pull back just for that highlight. And then right up here on the top, right under our brow, just to highlight as well. Okay, highlight on the top of the brow. And right there on the inner corner. And that is it. Super simple. If I was using this as a night look, I might add some liner on the top, but since it's daytime, I think I'm just going to call that good. That is our finished look. Thanks so much for joining me, and I hope to see y'all next time. Bye, everyone.